1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, and this is Jonah Chikadora, and today's video I will show you on how to make a donut pattern, or sometimes it is called six spots. So easy guys. So all you have to do is you need to have already solved Rubik's Cube. So ang gagawin nyo lang guys is this is how you must hold the Rubik's Cube, and then all you have to do is move the second layer papunta sa left, and then ikotin nyo yung cubes, then again hold the second layer, ikot, repeat lang guys. So you see, as you can see, look, nagkakaiba na yung mga center niya. As you can see, this is what we call six spots. 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, so dahil sa ano siya, ganito, tapos bilog, it's represents as a hole dito. So tinatawag din siya minsan na donut pattern. So guys, now my concern is how are you going to make it again solve the Rubik's Cube? So, paano mo siya ibalik sa dating solve na siya na Rubik's Cube? So, depende sa inyo guys kung saan kayo unang mag-start, kung anong kulay ang gusto nyo. So, depende na anong center ang gusto nyo, okay? So, for me, let's say, start ko dito. Ito yung unahin ko pag-solve, yung white, and the center is orange. So this is white, and the center is orange. So since this is orange, yeah, move ko lang siya. So meron tayong two sides na white. So two sides na white. So ang gagawin nyo is hanapin nyo yung center na white. So, yung center na white, so here it is, the center ng white. So, move mo siya. Move to the center. Yeah, it's as you can see. So easy. And there, and this. And now it's solved again. Thank you guys for watching. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share, likes, and comment below. And of course, hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong video ko na ipopost at more tutorial about Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.